These are the colors which I'll be using for painting. This is blue, purple, light pink, magenta, deep rose red, and crimson, golden yellow, and chrome yellow. I'll also be using white. The brush is number 8. Then these are Rian's artist brushes. This tip is not straight. These are the round brush, number 8 round brush. And this is 1/4. This is also a flat brush, and this is a round brush which I'll be using. Mixing red with purple to form quinacridone magenta, and this color I'll be using in the center. I'll just flick it like this, just flicking in the center of the petals. I'm not pushing hard. I'm washing my brush. I'll wipe it on the cloth because I do not, I'm wiping it on the tissue because I do not need much water. And this time I'll be taking magenta and just putting it on the center and just beyond the, just flick, and I will take red and put it here and mix it like this. Put it here in the center, take it up and down. Again, take my red, take it to the center, move it up and down. Acrylics is all about layering. So here just mixed white, yellow with white, and just trying to shape the petal. Don't make, because this is the first stage of layering, and then gradually then it will get the shape. Just mixing with the yellow, chrome yellow, I'm mixing white. Now I'm using here little orange. This is white, and a little bit of yellow I'm mixing to it. It's more on the white side. Just before layering, you should always see that your paints dry up, because then they are not sticky. There are lots of techniques to paint. This is the fun about painting. So you use whatever brush you are comfortable with. See, like this is a very old brush of mine, and these bristles are wide apart. So when I use this brush, I easily get lines which I want. And I want here lines. So just now I'll it's really necessary to do whatever goes for you. For me, this brush is alright. This won't be nice. So painting is really enjoying. Just holding my brush straight. This is the fold which I am trying to show in the petal. Oh my god. So I'm just going on and on, applying color and just layering up. When I start painting in before my starting, I just do the setup because I really like my table. On the table, I want some flowers and a candle I love putting there. I'm mixing yellow with orange and sparkling orange. And with this color, I'm going to do the center. I'm using chrome yellow, and I'm going to do a little crisscross things here. These are just blobs of golden I'm putting there in between to show they are fairly close. Just in order to cover this. I've added with orange, black and little red and a little white I'm taking when I'm moving my brush. I'm just flicking so that the bottom edge remains stuck. Just pulling down. Using an angled brush to do this. You should have a spray bottle. You should keep spraying your paints with water. Like this is black. Again, I'm using orange with mixed with little black. I've mixed with magenta little black because I want this portion over here to be a little dark. Now I've washed my brush and I'm going to grab a little orange. Moving your brush, a little bit of a border here and a little bit yellow is underneath, and you keep moving your brush. Now just using orange. I don't have much paint in my brush. I'm just moving my hand and taking it on magenta. Now I've grabbed in a little bit of yellow, chrome yellow, and I'm going to use it on the outline of my I'm taking yellow and I'm just flicking it. This is lemon yellow. Mixed with a little white. With yellow I've mixed a little green and I'm just dabbing all the paint away, and with the tip I'm going to just from the center I'm just going to flick it. The brush is angled and there's hardly any paint on my brush. See, I've added a little water, but I'm going to dab it on my cloth. I'm just going to bring it towards the center like this. And add in such a way, moving towards the center. Now with each petal, there's a line there and another line, and there's a flat tail. You have to get very fussy with this. Every petal has this. There's a V there, and then there's a flat tail. Okay. There's a V there, and then there's a flat tail. Every petal. Then there's a flat tail. I mixed with lemon yellow, little white, to highlight the center.